In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and import Google Calendars. If you want to create a backup of your calendars, move your schedule to another account, or simply keep a copy of your events for safekeeping, Google Calendar makes the process straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can export your calendar data from a computer with confidence. To begin, open Google Calendar on your computer. This process is best done in a desktop web browser, since the export option is available there and may not appear the same way on mobile devices. Once Google Calendar is open, look to the top right corner of the screen for the settings gear icon. Click that gear icon and then choose settings from the menu that appears. This takes you to the main settings area for your calendar account. On the left side of the page, you'll see a menu with different sections. Find and click Import and Export. This is the section where Google groups together tools for bringing calendar data in and taking calendar data out. Now in the Export section, click the Export button. As soon as you do, Google Calendar will prepare a download for you. The file you receive will be a .zip file, and that compressed file contains copies of all the calendars associated with your account that are available for export. This is useful because it keeps everything bundled together in one download instead of requiring you to save each calendar one by one. After the download finishes, you can usually find the .zip file in your computer's downloads folder, unless your browser is set to save files somewhere else. It's a good idea to store that file somewhere easy to remember, especially if you plan to import it later or keep it as a backup. If needed, you can extract the zip file to view the calendar files inside. One important tip is to make sure you're exporting from the correct Google account if you use more than one. It's easy to overlook that, especially if you switch between work and personal calendars. Also, if your browser doesn't seem to download the file right away, check whether it has blocked the download or asked for permission. And that's all it takes to export your Google Calendars. Once you know where the import and export section is, the process is quick and easy, and it gives you a reliable copy of your calendar data whenever you need it.